Surely, at some point, you have wanted to download Instagram content, be it images, videos, or the vertical story videos that are usually published there. It is not possible to download directly from the application. However, there are a couple of good alternatives that allow you to download Instagram content in high quality. To download videos or images that have been published in an Instagram account feed, click on the three dots in the top right of the publication, then on Copy Link. Go to the Google search engine and look for Insta Downloader and click on the first link. Paste the link you just copied and then click on Download. Then go down, there will be a preview and click on the download file button, then the video will start playing. Just hold down the video and then select download video and it will start downloading immediately. To download a story, go to www.storysaver.net. There, you must write the name of the account where the story you want to download, then download, and there you will see the stories that the account has active and you can select the download of any of them. Remember that the person will not know who has downloaded your story. This is a useful function that you can use to surprise your loved ones with video collages with photos and videos of their accounts, which is unexpected. You can also use to download content from informational or photo accounts without forgetting to give credit to the author. To publish to Instagram from a computer, there will be your account from Google Chrome. Once you are in your account, go to the three dots in the top right of the window and then to More Tools and Developer Tools. Then to the icon where two devices appear, so it will show you the screen as if you were from your cell phone. Then refresh the page and show you the button to add a new publication in your account.